Jagan Mohan Reddy has in fact directed all government schools in the state that they should get a CBSE affiliation by 2024. During a review meeting with the Education Department, the Chief Minister said that every school should have a playground and even directed officials to map schools without playground so they can acquire more land. Let's go right across to Uma Sudhir joining us for the very latest. Uma, all Andhra Pradesh government schools set to become CBSE schools. What's behind the move?
Actually, the Andhra Pradesh government had taken a very important decision to, in fact, shift all the schools into English medium. Of course, that got into some controversy in the Supreme Court, but with some clarifications given by the state government, they are going ahead and they have made all their schools into English medium schools. And the logical way forward also for standardization of education across Andhra Pradesh, the Education Department and the Chief Minister have decided that all schools in Andhra Pradesh will now become CBSE affiliated by 2024. What is interesting is that the Andhra Pradesh government in fact has invested a lot in the schools infrastructure, quality of education delivery and all that in the last 2 years that the YSR government has been in place, headed by Jagan Mohan Reddy. And what they are now saying is that some 45,000 schools will now become CBSE schools. As of now, they have about 1,092 schools that have also already shifted to the CBSE, which means this will be the first batch that will be writing the board exam in 2024. And by that time, the Chief Minister has directed that all the schools, 45,000 schools in the state, in fact, should become CBSE affiliated. There are two important other points that I want to point out, that the revamping of the infrastructure, the COVID pandemic, which meant that people cannot pay school fees and are feeling pressured by the private schools, all that has in fact helped in an exodus from the private schools into the government schools, which are now looking very good. And some novel measures that perhaps other states could also follow is one, not just the physical infrastructure, but also there's going to be something called a social audit of the teachers and the performance of the schools. That of course met with some resistance from the teachers unions, but the Chief Minister has clarified that it's not an attempt in fact to point fingers at